Solving systems of equations in 3 variables. Okay, now very similar to equations in 2 variables. Okay, you've got to try and get rid of a letter. Remember, elimination by addition. Now I could multiply equation 1 by -4. If I multiply equation 1 by -4 all the way through, I'll have a -4x. And when I add it to equation 2, to the positive 4x, the x's will cancel. So I'll lose a letter, which is nice, okay? But what I can see here is look, if I already add equations 1 and 2, I'll lose the z's because they'll go, but great, I'll also use the y's. Lose them, sorry. Okay? So if I add them together, I'm going to get x and 4x is 5x. 11 and 4 is 15. I've already got that x equals 3. Okay, so let's try this. So if x equals 3, let's put it into, well, let's just replace all these equations. If that's 3x, okay, x is 3. If I take away 3 from both sides, I'll be left with 8. So I'll have equation 1 is now -2y plus 3z equals 8. Okay, I just subtracted 3 from both sides because x is 3. Right, 4x is going to be 12. This is going to be 12. So I'm going to subtract 12 from both sides. So we're left with 2y minus 3z equals, subtract 12 from both sides, that's -8. Okay? And finally this one, if x is 3, that's 9, take away 9 from both sides, that'll leave me with -5 on that side. Okay, so positive 3y, -z equals -5. Now this is now, I already know an answer, but can you see, I've just got systems of equations in 2 variables. So if I was to pick, now actually if I add all these together, I'll get 0 equals 0, so that's going to help me much. I'm going to work on these 2 here. Just pretend this is just y and z, okay? A system of equation in 2 variables. Right, I think I shall multiply this by -3. Okay, the reason is, if I do that, this will give me positive 3z around here, okay, to cancel the -3z. So this equation here becomes -3 times 3y, -9y. -3 times -z is positive 3z. And -3 times -5 is positive 15. Remember, this one is just the same. I haven't changed this. The reason why I did it, look, is to get rid of the z's. Okay, let's add these together. So, -7y, these cancel, equals 7. Great, y equals -1. So I've already found out another letter. Okay. Okay, maybe I just put it back into, doesn't matter what you put it back into. X is 3, I'll use this one, use this equation here. Okay, x is 3. 3 minus 2y, y is -1, so -2 times -1 is positive 2. Plus 3z equals 11. Okay. Right, this is 5, so take away 5 from both sides. 3z equals, take away 5, I'll get 6. So z equals 2. Okay, there you go. That's how you do systems of equations in 3 variables.